This tech tip is going to show you how to create a parametric note similar to something like this, where you have notes, multiple dimensions, maybe even symbols, all associated to the same note annotation. The first step of the process is going to be to make sure your dimensions look accurate in the model. And in my case, the dimensions I want to bring in are going to be these two dimensions right here. You can make these dimensions whatever precision you want. You can add a tolerance, symbols, whatever the case may be. Once they look the way you want, hop on back to the drawing and insert those dimensions into the drawing. Now, it doesn't really matter what view you put them on, but you do need to use the model items command. I like to select the feature that I want to insert the dimensions for, and in my case, the name of the feature is the nose. I'll go ahead and select that. There's my dimensions. We can say OK to that and close out. Now just go ahead and move these anywhere you want. Again, it doesn't really matter where they are. To put them into the note, we'll just use the same text here, and I'll just pretend I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. You can add the dimensions simply by clicking on them. And you can add any additional text you need. And that's it. That's all there is to it. You won't need the other dimensions anymore, the model items, so just hide those. Don't delete them. That's very important. If you delete them, you're going to break the parametric link to the dimensions in the parametric note. So use your hide show annotations command for this. Just click any place to close out of the menu, and then whatever you select will turn gray. Hit your escape key when you're all done, and that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this tech tip. This is Dave from CAD Dimensions. Happy modeling.